What's going on, folks? So we decided we needed to cook some fresh mustard greens. We went down to the field and picked us some right after a good rain, so they're good and clean. And we cut us up some turnips. And I'm about to show you guys how we put our greens together. We're cooking mustard greens, but I always like to get a turnip and cut it up, cook it down in that bad boy. So we got about an inch of water in our pot. And we're gonna go ahead and add some of these fresh mustard greens to it. You normally end up filling the pot up a few times because they cook way down. But we'll get it started with this. And once we get our greens in there, go ahead and add in a little bit of chopped bacon. It's hard to beat that chopped bacon. Oh yeah, flavor it up good. Then I like to add a little bit of olive oil, of course. Yeah. Boy, this green is gonna be good. We cut up that turnip. So it is mustard greens, but I always add turnips to them. Just like the flavor that it gives them, and I like eating them myself. A little bit of salt. And then we add a little bit of sugar. Sweeten them up a little bit. Oh yeah. Just gonna put this lid on and heat them up a little bit, and I'll come right back with you. Sarah's got something serious cooking in this oven right here. Just a little bit, we're gonna show y'all what's going on. Now that's cooking with wood right there. It's cooking down nice. As it cooks down like this, we just keep adding greens to the top of it, keep filling the pot up. Oh yeah, it's gonna be something serious right there. Let's see what we got up in here. Oh, that's serious right there. And that's how you do it. That's cooking on wood. Some fresh mustard greens, roast in the oven. All we need now is a plate. Let's go.